Okay, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal, probably from around Quilpie area. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. The white that you can see here is a reflection of the lights. Anyway, I'll zoom in a bit so you get a better look. Okay, I haven't moved any of the pieces as I normally do. I'll go in a bit closer in a minute and show you a few a bit more up close. That gives you an idea of what you're looking at for your money, I think. Right, it's not high grade material, but some of it has seams in it that you can cut into patterns. It's nice and thick, some of this. Some of it's more potch, but like for example with this bit here, you need to grind that off to see what's underneath it. Some nice little veins along the edge here. There's it's like that through there. Other pieces don't have a lot of colour. This piece has got a nice bit of fire through it, crystal. Some of this is glue, it's come off a board. I don't know why the person glued it to it, but there was some sort of panel at one stage. I don't know the story, but this just comes off fairly easily, and what it is it's just, like I say, glue. Here's a nice piece. Red's coming up underneath there. So you can see here that peters out, but if you grind that off there, with a stone, nice electric blues in there. But each piece has got something, some are not so valuable. It's over 1.5 kilos. What's that? About £3. Anyway, I think you've got the idea of what you're looking at there. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.